Hey, what's going on, guys? What's going on? What's going on? Koi Body here. And as promised, I'm coming to you guys with a series titled Be a Bully and Take Back What's Rightfully Yours. Be a bully and take back what's rightfully yours. Now, we all know as bully is being a negative term. But this week, my friend, just for you, this is for you looking at this video right now, tuning in. A bully is going to be a positive thing because what we're going to do is we're going to come in and we're going to take back those things that are essential to us in our lives. We're going to take them back because we all know that we have different forces pulling at us, tugging at us, trying to press us down and make it feel like we're stuck. And they'll come in and just rob us and take us of everything that we have. So day one, the exercise is this. I want you to meditate. I want you to write down, and I want you to really think on the things that have been taken away from you in your life. It could be your mind. It could be your marriage. It could be your children. It could be your business. I don't know what it is. You know exactly what it is, but I want you to write these things down because these are some things that are essential to you in your life. These are some things that are going to help you get to the next level. These are the things that you need in your life. And we're going to get those things back on this week. Listen, I got day 2 coming, 3 coming, 4 coming, 5 coming. Y'all tune in. I love y'all. Share this video, like this video, comment on this video. Be a bully and take back what's rightfully yours. We're coming with it, baby. I love y'all. Peace.